Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open up and see what this is. It has this box here, says key finder. So this uses Apple's Find My network. Let's try it out. So on the back we have specs. And then like the battery, the range. Okay, nothing around the box. It's just like that. Self and a battery. Inside this box, we have instructions. Use your nail. If like anything else, you can just add it. Let's see, how do you read the battery? You should look at the instructions. The function button, that's nice. Start the app. Locate your tag. Arrange. To replace the battery. Fingernail in a small gap to carefully open. Alright. Not sure where you open. Like this thing rotates. There it goes. Okay, the battery's not installed. Let's do that. If we can get the battery out. Okay. Okay, so then you just insert like this. It is a CR2032. Doesn't sound as loud as the original. Okay. Just push it down. That's it. Okay. I'm gonna get my phone. And I'm gonna show my location. Let's see. So do the plus here. Focus it. Plus. Let's say item, maybe. Other support item, okay. And then, oh, and then show it. Okay, connect to it. This will be iTag. Okay. So now it's linked. You play the noise. There you go. And then I can locate it if I need to. Okay. If I press the button, does it do anything right now? Function buttons for something. Oh, it's just turn it on and off, it seems. Yep. I guess that's it. So it just turns it on and off, pretty much. And there you go. That is the iTag. It's a set of 4. I'm just showing you one. But that's it. If you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.